some of the stuff that I've seen you doing in terms of the brands that you're affiliated with, and it's really really encouraging. So for people out there who are perhaps a little bit apprehensive of jumping in or doing something, just to say, okay, cool, this is where this guy come from.
Mm.
He just decided one day, you know what? If I decide I want to do PR and be a graphic designer, no one should be telling me no. Do you know what I'm saying? So if you're gonna tell me no, then I'm gonna go do my own
Yeah.
thing and have my own creative freedom. And from that decision, investing in yourself, and now look at the things that you're able to do. Right? Like it's genuinely incredible.
Investing in yourself is super, super important. You'll go to talks or you'll read books and they'll say, you are your greatest asset. You should invest in yourself. And for a long time, that went completely over my head. I didn't actually understand, I didn't fully deep what that meant. But all we're saying when we say invest in yourself is, particularly if you're young, the biggest asset you have is time, like a lifespan within which you will probably earn hundreds of thousands, if not millions of pounds, or whatever currency your country is denominated in. And you can make yourself into the sort of person that people want to pay money to. That's what that means. You don't just need to settle for, the bog standard. You can actually become a very specialized, well-paid individual that either knows a language, knows how to code, knows graphic design, knows how to speak publicly. I've spoken a lot about how I've invested into myself via public speaking. You can become one of those people and people will want to pay you. Invest in yourself. Once you get your income up, you can then keep that money, because they say it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. You can then keep that income by putting it into financial assets, into property, into that sort of thing. But the thing that you can always do is increase the amount of value you offer to the market so that people will be prepared to pay you.